So if you think about device choice, Microsoft strategy is twofold. One, it's to have an operating system that provides choice in the market, and we want to win as many devices as we can, make no mistake. But then we also want to provide, because we recognize now the world will not have a 90% market share leader ever again. If we take a step now and talk about these first-party services. So this one, we always like to talk about productivity. It is what we call Office 365. It's not Office. It's not just about Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It's about how people do work. It's about instant messaging. It's about communications. It's about Skype and link integration and all sorts of other things that allow for this collaborative and social workspace. In fact, it's about partners like Sitrion that provide additional value on top of our stack that really allow customers, like around SAP usage and adoption, that really allow customers to embrace that. On the sort of on that same theme, but now talking about how if it was just Microsoft services, we'd have we'd have some high value niches for you, but it'd be limited in total. Really where the value unlocks is when we now enable you to provide and create services to serve to your end users. And so we look at that as an enabler to provide you the ability to deliver those applications. And I would say Sitrion ONE, which you guys talked about here this week, is a great example of quickly creating line of business applications and value right down to your end users. So clearly right aligned in our partnership with Sitrion and the value that we talk about in this market. So I did just want to kind of reiterate and thank Sitrion and their partnership for this event, and then Sitrion ONE, which is a very powerful tool to quickly and simply create mobile applications. We've seen a number of our customers partnered and leveraging Sitrion for this. Just because essentially what happens is, it's very interesting, we've seen this all over the place. The CEO walks in with their iPad and they're like, I want this information. And the IT departments are like, well, how am I going to get them that information on that type of a device, et cetera? And really partnering with partners of ours like Sitrion and Microsoft from a mobile and devices strategy has enabled us to go do that in a secure and managed way, which is really important, as we've talked about.